How to open a Walmart account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open a Walmart account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for walmart.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart. Now, to create an account, tap on the Sign In option on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Sign In or Create Account option. You will now be asked to enter your email address, so go ahead and enter a valid email address and tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your first name, last name, phone number, and create a password. So, fill in the required details. Also, make sure to meet the password requirements, that is, your password must include 8 to 100 characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least one number or special character. Once you are done entering all these details, tap on the Continue button. You will then be required to enter the OTP sent to the mobile number you just entered. So, enter the OTP and tap on the Verify and Create an Account button, and with this, your account will be created successfully. So, this is how you can open a Walmart account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.